What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install NodeJS in Windows 11. My name is Hari, welcome to my channel. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, to get started, let's open up our favorite browser. I'm going to open Chrome and now let's search for NodeJS. And now we have this here, so let's go in there. And we have two types of NodeJS over here. This is LTS, long-term support, and current, which is current latest one. But I recommend using LTS because this has less number of bugs, because this is a stable version released for long-term support. But current version may have bugs because it's not yet stable. So we'll download this one and let's wait for the download, and let's complete it. Now let's open it up. Now we can just click next and accept the terms, next, and select where it should be installed. It's better to be at the default, next and next. And over here you can install Chocolatey if you need. It's kind of like npm, but it's a different package manager, so you can just do Choco and install everything. I'm not gonna do this because I don't use Chocolatey much, so we'll just go next and let's install. Now we can just say yes. Let's wait for the install to complete. Alright, now it's installed successfully, so now we can say finish, and now it's installed in our computer. So now we can just say command prompt and just open the terminal. Now we can just say node -v, which is going to give us the version, and we've got the latest version, the LTS version. Well, that's how you install NodeJS in Windows 11. If you have any questions or video ideas, please let me know them in the comments down below. I'll be happy to reply or make any new videos on those ideas. Well, until then, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.